Hello guys, in this tutorial I will show you how to monitor performance of the server Windows Server 2012. This is part of the assignment and I am going to show you solution of task number 7. First of all, I would like to show you the first thing through which we can monitor performance of Windows Server. The first thing is Task Manager. As we open the Task Manager, the first tab in this particular window is the processes. These are all the processes that are currently running on my computer or on my machine. You can see all the processes that are running, the background processes, the Windows processes, all the processes that are currently running through my computer. The second tab in this particular display is this particular window is the performance window. Here you can see CPU and its usage. The second thing, that is memory. You can see that the total memory in use is 1.4 gigs and available is for in this time I'm using all the memory. The third thing that we can see is the disk, which is the hard drive that I am currently using of my machine. The third thing is Ethernet. So I am not connected to any Ethernet cable, so by clicking it I am unable to open it. The fifth thing that is here is the Wi-Fi connection. Is traffic going in and going out of my computer. So these are all the things that through which I can see what is going through on my computer. The third thing is button is the app history, applications history. In this tab we can see all the applications that I have currently opened on my computer. You can see the whole details to a particular time. The next tab is the startup. These are all the programs that always run when I start my computer. So these are currently running on my computer. Users. The next tab is users. These are the users that are signed into my computer and what did they opened on my system, on my server. The next thing is the detailed information regarding all the applications, all the services that are running on my computer. You can see the status, the PID, the username, the CPU, the memory description, and everything. Services. The next tab is services. These are services that are helping me in running of my computer. So as you guys, you can see these services, they can't be ended. So the main purpose of this is to check the performance of the computer, which things are showing up my computer, so I can easily end this by right clicking on this. These are different options in front of me: end task, end process tree, set priority, and these are different things that through which I can better the performance of my computer. So this was the task manager through which we can do different stuff. We can end application, we can set priority for applications, we can monitor all this stuff. The next thing that I want to discuss here is the resource monitor. I can search it here, resource monitor. Here it comes. So resource monitor is actually the task manager, but it is the more detailed information. It contains more detailed information regarding what is flowing my computer or what is running on my computer right now. So the first tab in this is the summary of all the particulars like CPU, disk, network, memory. I can see all these stuff in just one. I will maximize it here. So the first tab I want to open is the CPU. Here it comes. It has, you can see, as compared to the task manager, it contains more detailed information of the processes that are running through my computer. The next thing in this is the services. These are all the services that are provided by the operating system. These are provided by the operating system which helps me running the computer. You can see their status. Some of them are running, some of them are, you can see, stopped, and you can check the status at any time. The next thing that comes in this particular tab is the associated handles. You can handle the process separately in this particular tab. The next thing that comes is associated modules. These modules contain all the information that are running through our computer right now. Currently no module is running. You can set any module by right clicking here and adding some new modules. Select columns, you can add or delete columns and contain more information. You can include more information. The next step that is in this particular window is the memory. This particular tab shows us which process is running currently and how much amount of memory is used by that particular application. You can see this, for example, I would say memory, I would say Microsoft Photos.exe is working, and it is private and shareable. You can see it is consuming this amount of my memory. Okay, so these are all the programs, all the services, all the processes that are running currently, and all there you can see their PID, parent ID. You can add new column, you can add new columns here, end process here, suspend process or end process pre-put. You can end the whole process at a time. Okay, the next thing is physical memory. Physical memory show you a graphical view of how much of your memory is in use. As you can see, in use it's 1488 MB, and modified here is this, and standby is this, and free memory is 25 MB, and of course the hardware reserved memory is 138 MB, which is constant. The next thing in this is the disk. You can see which things, which programs, which processes are using using how much amount of memory of the disk. How much you can, as you can see, I can arrange it. I can set priorities in this. You can see analyze where chain. I can enter the same thing that are discussed in the previous memory tab. Disk activity. In this activity shows us which programs have been opened and which are currently opened, or stuff like that. The next thing is that comes to us is the storage. As you can see, I have 3 storage spaces: physical disk, active time, which drive has been opened for how much time, which their available spaces, my whole amount, all the information regarding my physical disk. And the last one tab is in the network. In network, as you can see, if we are connected to the internet, I can see all the programs that are on the traffic that is coming through and out of my computer. Here you can also here is the IP addresses that are going through and out of my computer, the TCP protocol, the port, and all the information regarding the network. So guys, this was the resource manager. The next tool that I want to discuss is the event viewer. I'm going to search it here, event viewer. Yeah, here it is. Let's open it. Yeah, here it is. So event viewer is basically is to collect the log information of your computer. For example, all the events that are running through your computer, all the errors, all the information that have happened to a certain amount of time. So So the first thing I would like to discuss is the custom views. Here you can create, open save logs, create custom view, import custom view. Let's see, create a custom view here. I would set the event log, for example, application or Windows logs, and for example the system. Here I would like to open any event source, and let's into event level critical warning. All these errors will be shown to us whenever they are occurring. Okay, let's create it. Okay, so here you can see the new view has been added to the custom view. The next step that is coming through the event viewer is all the Windows logs that have been created or that have been through the system all the time, all the information that have been occurred. So basically this tab is about the events that have been occurred. This one is type of application, and this event is information. Here you can see you can detect the errors, and you can debug it, you can attach this task to any event and copy it, and you can easily detect any error that is stopping your computer from working regularly. You can see I have scrolled down information. These are all events. 1253 events have been occurred since I logged into my computer. The next is security. This includes these successes that I tried to log into my computer and set up their own information system. There you can see there's a warning here. In this I can track where this the warning is coming from, and so on. The next thing that is here I can show you is the application services log. Let me drag it here. You can see different type of events that are occurred. Microsoft Office Diagnostic. These are all the events that are occurring right now through my computer. So guys, Event Manager is actually about what type of error has been occurred, and how to detect it, and how to debug it, and how to remove this from the you can say from your computer or from your server. So the next thing that I will discuss in this particular tutorial is the performance monitor. Here it comes. Let's open it. Performance monitor is actually the detailed information, the counter-based performance monitor, detailed information regarding what is happening on your computer. The first thing is performance monitor. You can see what processes, or let me maximize it, what is running through your computer, what do you want to show, what do you want to monitor on your computer. For example, here you can add different type of you can add different type of processes that are running through your computer, and you can add depend upon your choice. What do you want to monitor? For example, let me monitor something from here. Let's pick up this one. I want to monitor the process. Let's see, there are a lot of information. I would say interrupt or idle time. Let's add this to this, and okay, here it comes. It's this one. Let's click on it, and it will show you here it started. Here it is. It is changing according to the time, the counter time that is going through my computer. The next thing that is here is the all the user defined and system and event tracks. So you can track information, what type of application is that are running, and what are they doing on your computer. You can see here it is running circular kernel context logger, it is running, and you can, by putting or entering it, you can see all the information that is necessary for you to track down the server performance and other thing. The next thing that is here is the reports. Reports, user defined our system. For example, let me in the system you can see what have you been added to the performance monitor, this monitor. Now here you can track its information, diagnostic information, system diagnostic. You can diagnose it if there is an error. Here you can track what has been done to it. So I would like to, by right clicking on it and refreshing, it will show me some information regarding, well, let's see what happened. You can see I haven't set any performance preferences, so there this list is empty. So performance monitor is actually the same performance monitor that has been used in the task manager, but it is more detailed. You can track a very single event to its end, what it's been using, and what's the advantages of it, and what is running, how much time it is running. These are all the information that is very much necessary to run your server in a good way. Okay, that's it from me, and this is end of my tutorial. This was an assignment for my week 12. Thank you.